Soft light through the window. Nothing out of place. I move through the motions, steady and slow, but the thoughts still follow, waiting in the shadows. I keep my head down, moving through the hours, letting the world spin the way it always does. But every silence feels heavier than before. You promised forever, and forever I agree. I gave you keys, the door of you and me, with the future unplanned but inspired by love. I built my hopes on every embrace, but behind the makeup there's the strangest face. How can two faces be one when the one that promised no longer looks at me? I took your words like gospel, held your promises like gold. Never thought you'd twist beauty into something cold. You threw my world in turmoil, faith used as a shield for wrongs untold.
Morning was calm, but your silence hit off beat. Promise on the one, but you broke it on the three. Gave you the keys, door of you and me, but you flipped the rhythm, hit truth on the end of three. Success tasted sweet to the lies in my plate. You syncopated every move, called betrayal, fate. Love me, hate me, that's your two-step creed. Sticks and stones on the upbeat, words cut when you leave. From a distance, your venom flows cold and free. But karma hits in time, you reap what you sow from me. You sent puppets in shadows, thought I couldn't see, but I broke every pattern, now the rhythm's back with me.
I took your words like gospel, but truth rewrote the page. Your silence tried to cage me, but I stepped out of the stage. The puppets you sent fell down, the strings cut clean and free. You can bite me, scratch me, but you'll never taste the good from me. How can two faces be one when the one that promised no longer looks at me? I took your words like gospel, I held your promises like gold. Never thought you'd twist beauty into something cold. You threw my world in turmoil, faith used as a shield for wrongs untold.
I walked through every shadow,
That you left behind,
but the darkness lost its meaning when I
claimed my mind,
your silence tried to buy me.
but I broke through the wall. Now every step I take reminds me I survived it all. The storm you built around me
Couldn't hold me down,
couldn't hold me down.
I rose above the wreckage, never meant to drown.
Never meant to drown.
The chapter fades behind me,
Written in the past,
my future opens wide.
my future opens wider, stronger than the last. I breathe again with clarity, no weight upon my chest. The truth became my compass, guiding me to rest. So bite me, scratch me, your hold is finally gone. I walk into the sunrise and my spirit carries on. I took your words like gospel, but truth rewrote the page. Your silence tried to cage me,
Your silence tried,
but I stepped out of the stage. The puppets you sent fell down, the strings cut clean and free. You can bite me, scratch me, but you'll never taste the good.